Ah. Woo. Good morning, everyone. I am here in Manhattan, New York. I am about to visit Brett's Bakery, one of the most famous bakery here in the city. So come and let's make a private tour. Hi, Darwin!
Hello, Ramon. Welcome to Brett's Bakery.
Wow, beautiful.
See, we have everything here.
This is the Baguette, the winner in New York in 2022.
2022. This is the grand prize.
Wow.
This is over the years.
The best baguette in town. Yeah.
The
and
best
what do
baguette.
the French people think about this?
You know, the way they qualify the baguettes is it's a blind tasting.
Ah.
So you don't even know when they come and grab your baguettes. Like,
Okay.
you know, it's a big event, people come, they try. We have the grand prize. We won both. Yeah. So
Congratulations.
yeah, thank you.
And
Yeah.
you did it. Can you show me how to bake
Yeah,
a
later
baguette?
on we can go in the kitchen and I will show you how they get baked.
Good.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, here we have the serving station. You can get your coffee, sandwiches. All the drinks are on the wall over there. Whatever you want, you can just order it. We also have some food here. You can order here as well as in the front over there.
Okay, incredible.
I have my starter here. This
Yes.
is the one we learned how to do in your class.
Ah, so you keep it here under the oven for the
Yes,
temperature.
because the temperature is a little warmer
Oh.
here, and I even name it Darvain.
Darwin, and that's a mixture between Darwin.
Yeah, because my name is Darwin and it's
Levain.
Levain, so Darvain instead
It's
of.
kind of some Star Wars thing. Woo! Smells like fruit.
It's sweet. Yeah, it's very
yeah,
sweet. Okay, so as you can see, we have our French sourdough here. This has been resting in the bowl for about 3 hours and a
3
half.
hours.
So
And how many
we did
kilos
that.
do you have in here?
This is 200 kilos.
200 kilos.
So everything started at 6 a.m. We did the arroz, which is water and flour only. After we added the sponge.
Sponge.
The sponge, and we have the gray salt here.
And this is
Yeah, this
sea
is straight
salt
from the
sea.
sea. Yeah, sea salt.
Incredible.
Yeah, so yeah, 200 kilos. We get about 220, 30
Loaves?
of loaves, 750.
Wow.
And the rest will be for 2.1 kilos.
Okay.
Loaves, yeah. We're gonna mix it for about 5-7 minutes at low speed. I'm gonna do the timer and you press the button.
Okay, let's go. Smell is amazing. Wow. Sourdough everywhere.
It's all about sourdough. Okay, as you can see, this has 7 minutes have passed already.
Uh-huh.
This has been well mixed. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna cover it with a plastic bag, and we're gonna let it rest for about an hour. We're gonna do a fold, and then after another hour, we're gonna do another fold.
folding.
All right, so it's been an hour already since we mixed this dough. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna remove the bag, and then we're gonna close it down. But before, look. You see all the fermentation happening here, all those bubbles? It's ready to do the fold. Again, it's been an hour, so we're gonna do the first fold, and then we're gonna do another one. Yeah, this is the dough we just finished mixing over there.
The
This from
200
yesterday.
kilos of dough.
Yeah, this is what we get out of that.
What's the
that
name
amount
of this
dough.
bread
This is
here?
called French sourdough.
French sourdough.
Yeah, this is a small version one. This is called small French sourdough. We also have large ones.
It's like a mish.
Yeah, it's basically a mish. Yeah, in
And where
France
do
they
you,
call it
do
mish.
you bake this one? Here at
We
the
bake it in the
oven?
bongar. Yeah, we put them on the belt, score them.
A good temperature around.
If we talk about Celsius, it's about 480 to 500.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
And it's super lightweight. It's
Yeah.
like 300 grams. After
How
baking,
much do they weigh now?
it's
Like
air.
Yeah, it's all air. It's the way we bake it. Yeah. The deck oven
The
here,
deck
we
oven,
have
so-
5 decks here. So what we're gonna do now is gonna start baking some baguettes.
Uh-huh.
They are already ready to go in the oven. We're gonna take the belt down, gonna start adding them on the belt.
Scoring?
them.
Yeah.
And then they go straight in the ovens.
Oh, great. Are you lost with all the sourdough bread recipes that you find on the internet? Would you like to learn all the tips and tricks to make your own sourdough bread at home? Then I have the solution. I have designed the perfect masterclass of sourdough bread just made for you. By clicking the link on the description, you will learn how to make and take care of your sourdough starter, how to knead, shape, ferment and bake your sourdough bread, how to use and read the baker's percentage, all the basic techniques to bake like a pro at home, and how to read and understand your dough. Don't miss out on it and click the link on the description right now.
So the baguettes have been in the oven for about 18 to 20 minutes. They're ready to come out. Guido's gonna take them out and add them on the rack over there.
Nothing like a fresh baked baguette and hot. Ah!
Oh.
What?
Wow, you got burnt? It looks like you never baked.
Yeah. Like horns.
We identify for that.
Wow.
Yeah, we like to.
Okay, keep it.
Woo, woo.
Ah.
Okay.
Wow.
You see the
what
crumb?
a beautiful crumb.
Yeah, you see, it's nice and
open
moist
crumb.
too.
Yeah, moist.
It's nice and moist.
Because the idea of a baguette is to have less crumb and more crust.
Correct.
That's the idea of
Correct.
Beautiful baguette and light
in order
baguette.
to achieve this, you need to follow the steps. You know, it's a very long process, but we respect it, and this is what we get.
And how many times per day do you bake baguettes here?
We start baking around 3 a.m.
3 a.m.
Yeah, and we bake throughout the day. Like our last bake is late in the afternoon.
So you always have fresh baguette.
Yeah, Brett's Bakery goal is always to have fresh products at the front.
Incredible.
Yeah.
Beautiful baguette.
Yeah. We have some halas here.
Oh,
So we are an Israeli / French bakery, so we have a lot of Israeli products as well as French products.
And this one with
Yeah.
seeds.
Yeah,
Sesame
it's the
seeds.
same dough. It's the same dough.
Same
The
dough.
only difference is that this contains sesame seeds. Yeah, we dip them in
Beautiful.
sesame and then we bake
Very
them.
light.
We are, close to Jewish New Year, so we are creating a completely different item out of the same dough, which is called apple challah. Contains a lot of apples, contains salmon cream, and other ingredients in it.
I love that.
Later on, I will show you how to roll
Okay,
them.
let's go.
So, do you remember the challah I showed you at the front? So this is the ones. It's exactly the same dough. The only difference is we macerate apples the day before.
And cinnamon. I smell a lot of cinnamon here.
Yes, everyone loves
yeah.
cinnamon. So we roll the dough in an apple. Make a syrup with cinnamon and liquor.
And liquor,
We bring it to boil and then we add it for a certain amount of time. Once it's ready, we remove them, we let them cool down, and then they go there.
Darwin, thank you for having us here. So tell us what you do every day here at Brett's Bakery.
My main role is first to get the production done, but it's not only about getting the production done, it's also about taking care of the quality. If we talk about when we start working, everything starts at midnight.
At midnight? Wow.
Regarding to my department, which is bread department. We have other departments too, we have pastry, we have kitchen, but my department, 12 a.m. 12 a.m. we have a team, they start setting the station, they turn on ovens, once they're ready, between 2 and 3 a.m. going in the ovens, all the way throughout the day. Identify ourselves for having fresh products all the time.
And I know that you have not only this bakery, you have like 4 or 5 more here in Manhattan,
we
right?
We have 4 big locations.
Oh.
Yeah.
And everything is produced here, or?
Most of it gets produced here. This is the main one we opened back in 2013. It's been exactly 10 years.
You produce here and then
we deliver. So yeah, we take everything off, and we have a logistics team taking care of all the, they distribute everything to the other locations.
And you open from Monday to Monday?
Monday to Monday, Monday to Monday.
Non-stop?
Non-stop.
And where can they find
So
you?
if you're looking for this specific location, we are located at 18th East, 16th Street.
Manhattan, New York.
Yes.
Good.
Besides this location, you can also go to the other locations.
Well, Darwin, thank you a lot for the tour, the private tour that you gave us. Incredible. This bakery is huge.
It's
and
been my
you
pleasure.
are in charge of everything. You can see by the quality. So follow Darwin, follow Brett's Bakery too. Leave us a comment and I'll see you on the next video. Let's try this. Thank you. I hope you have enjoyed this video. And if you want to learn more about sourdough bread and sourdough starter, I encourage you to check the link on the description. And remember, This masterclass was specially designed for you.